Hello, hello, all my friends. Today, September 24th, Wednesday, this afternoon, make 25 minutes introducing. This, the first focus. This one, the first focus. Warm up running. This machine, Camless, this is a Camless Spring forming machine. 10 or 11 axes. Here's the spinner, usually fixed on the 6 o'clock side. 6 o'clock side. Warm up running 3 days. Warm up running 3 days. Then next we'll fix on the tools for the special task. So it's warm up running, and the key parts, all the key parts go with the street, quality control, and the high wind. This using the high linear guideway. So this machine for feeding wire 0.2 max to 2.5 millimeter. For the purpose in mass production, the conveyor belt chocolate coating chain. This the work panel, the wire decoil, the work panel, the whole set machine, operating system, Akuchi, operating system, this operating system, Akuchi, and the motors, Sire Denki. Warm up running 3 days, warm up running, then fix on the tools, go sampling. For the task, conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate involving. This is the first focus. Today, I'm trying to introduction. Firstly, this is my basic information. This is my basic information. We are middle-sized professional CNC Spring machine manufacturer. Professional CNC Spring machine manufacturer. With the WhatsApp, WeChat, or the email site, or more videos. Here's this machine. Going next, fix on the tools, go sampling for this task. The very same for the whole set machine, including the wire decoil, the main machine, then the support stand for food processing, conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate involving. This is one of the tailor-made sellers by our machine. With over 12 years experience, we do a lot of deal by this machine, bending different wire thickness, conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate involving. This is the whole set machine for conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate involving. This one. So here's the sample. Here is the sample. Our machine bending the single unit material as stainless steel for a wire stainless steel wire mostly diameter 0.8 to 2.5 millimeter. This we can bend it. This the period can extend it as this one 1.2 meter. We can bend it as mostly at 30 centimeter, max to 3 meter, but mostly at the wide 30 centimeter to 1.2 meter. This food grade wire mesh conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enveloping. For the single unit, this one single unit. For example, the sample in my hand, 1 meter at the length. This single unit, producing the single unit, need the time about 30 to 40 seconds. 30 to 40 seconds. This one, 30 to 40 seconds. Food grade stainless steel bending conveyor belt wire mesh food grade chocolate coating, chocolate enveloping. So this machine, this one, spring forming machine, forming machine. Feeding wire 0.2 max to 2.5 millimeter. Here's the bigger one for a flat, for a long wire. So my friends, next month, if you go with your team, come visiting Canton Fair, you can also take along with the samples, spare 2 or 3 hours, come to our factory to have a face-to-face discussion. Visit our factory because our factory and now a taxi ride from our factory to Canton Fair halls. List the whole list 3 models telling in a similar function. 3 models available in a similar function. All of them 11 axis CNC automatic to bending the single unit, single piece of conveyor belt in one stop. Then one single unit take time around 30 seconds according to different specification, and the wire mostly goes 0.6 to 4 millimeter. 3 models for your children according to your task range. as well. This one, 4 axes, also have the same, almost have the same function to bending, conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling, wire mesh. Okay, let's move closer for some more clear details on this machine. And today in warm-up running, this carries 8 sliders. Every slider driven by servo motor directly, and the super quality control. Warm up 3 days. This high wind linear gateway, cyanodenki servo motor, and the operating system. The operating system, Akuchi operating system. Show you the rear view of the machine. This the rear view of the machine. Every handle have motor and a reducer. Here's the wire feeding hook. The wire feeding hook. Accuracy since the mini mile 0.2. And the wire decoil. This is the wire decoil. Here's the operating system. This one, Y for wire feeding. Clear. While locally not available at present, 8 handles, feeding roller, English, Chinese, X1 to X8. B for spinner. Here's Chinese version. Also can provide you the English or customized into the Spanish, Russian, Turkish. This is not for touch screen. Operate by the keyboard and mouse. The difference between this one and this, you can see this is the cam base. This is the crane to driving. This the move ahead the tools to the forming side. One more time, this machine, this one, coming into the completed as the same list for the task. Conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling train. This the whole set machine. We are experienced to provide the perfect solution for conveyor belt mass production. This one feeding wire 0.6 to 2.5 millimeter. The whole set machine bending the conveyor belt wire mesh at for different shapes, different types. We are professional spring machine manufacturer. We also have the machine excellent at the precision control. For this in mechanic watch, mechanic timepieces, for the hairspring and the balanced spring using in mechanic watch in ammeter. This hairspring or balance spring used in mechanical watch or timepieces. The mechanical watch, the ammeter, hairspring, balanced spring. This using in automobile industry for any type of cars with with extension spring do the function as brake. This is three brakes, three extension spring act as brake spring. Every car, every automobile have the brake spring like this. This is one unit, three extension spring used in brake spring. And the spring using site. Examples of the using site in the automobile trucks. The spring using in automobile and the trucks. Here's I give you the 8 examples of their site. For the windows, for the landing wiper, the truck, and the brake, the car seat belt, the clutch, accelerator, the shock, sleeve. So here's the spring using in automobile industry. Also with like this, the suspension spring, anti-vibration, vibrate, anti-vibration, absorb, shake, absorb compression spring, using in any type of vehicles, automobile, using in mountain bike or sports bicycle, the electric scooter, suspension, anti-vibration, shock absorber springs. This the barrel shape, feeding wire length 2 to 8 millimeter. This is the one for middle to heavy duty wire, middle to heavy duty spring forming machine. For agricultural purpose, mass producing springtime, lake time, double time, hay lake time. For agricultural machinery as this is the honeycomb horseshoe. The flat heating purpose material. One stop, make this one. Tea cup holder. Wire forming program for the wire forming. This one, springtime, to be made by wire rotary spring forming machine. The heavy duty automobile industry, different type of springs. For a brake spring, 6mm carbon steel. Chaperon sports chaperon. Kindergarten chaperon extension. Pull spring. Brake spring using in different type of cars, vehicles. As well, we have the solution to mass producing this clamp, the pipe clamp or pipe clip, in a high speed output lathe. High speed output lathe at lathe 12 to 20 pieces per minute. From the 6 centimeter to 16 centimeter. This is huge demanding for the petroleum oil, crude oil, petroleum, for construction sites, for building construction or municipal construction, or for agriculture, greenhouse, or plantation, for his water irrigation networks. The short single piece, the short example of conveyor belt, 2.5 stainless steel foot grade cubic solid single loop stainless steel 2.5 millimeter, and the spiral this using in furniture industry, also using like the sports high jump matches, long jump matches, the irregular while bending products, irregular while bending tasks. One stop make it. This one take at output rate 2.2 to 2.8 pieces per minute. As well, this is the simplest regular compression spring. Regular compression spring, oil seal spring, keyboard spring. Ballpoint pen, oil seal, keyboards for the compression spring are widely used in toys, in stationery, in electric instruments, in test meters. This is example of our nameplate. Trademark. We are mid-sized manufacturer, CNC, automatic, spring machine manufacturer. Machine name, model number, input voltage, but mostly in China standard, 380 voltage alternative current, 3 phase. Nameplate. And our catalog. We also have the electric e-catalog. If you need it, add my WhatsApp. If you need it, the e-catalog, give me a message, okay?